right, good, kid. What up, guys? El Patronn here, Brooklyn Mitsubishi. We are at the Automotive Game Changer Conference, and I got one of my panels here, my man Christopher Gonzalez.
Chris
Thank you for
Gonzalez
being
here with El Patronn.
Yes, from
The
Plaza
man, the legend,
Automotive.
made it happen, had this vision, just decided to go with it. And you know what?
Right.
Sometimes you just got to be like Nike, you got to just do it.
do
Right,
it.
and that's what
Right.
he did. El Patronn is in the house, great panel, some amazing speakers, great content. And if you could take one thing away from this all, it's all on social media, baby. It's right here in the palm of your hands. That's where your next dollar sits.
That's right. What do you think of the intro?
Awesome, amazing intro, and you could dance, my man. My man could dance.
I wanted to change it up a little bit. You know what I'm saying? It is a game changer.
I almost went up there and wanted to do something with you, but you know,
we'll do some songs. We'll bring you up on a song.
Put on some Spanish music, dance some
Why
salsa,
not?
right?
Why not? Let's do some bachata, whatever, man.
Dun, 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 dun. Right?
Guys,
I got music in my head.
Absolutely. So, you know, so blessed to have you here, man, part of it. And, you know, 2019, I believe, you know, there's a lot of stuff that you're doing, right, that we're doing together. And I like you to be part of it because, you know what, it's the mindset, like we said, right? It all starts here, working out, the positive, you know what I'm saying? It's very easy to be negative. And it's
Family.
Just, we want family, exactly. So we want to change the stigma, and I know you're on board with it because I see you hustling every day. I see Duke every morning.
My man
right?
Duke.
I'm waiting for Duke to
Duke.
see where's Duke, right? So, and that's what it's about, you know what I mean? So consistency, you're very active on social media, and we're probably most of the active guys in New York right now.
That's it.
I would say, pushing content. So, you know, we got to keep doing that in 2019, and I got some big plans for us, and I love you to be part of the brand and take this to the next level.
I mean, 100%. I think it's important to be aligned with like-minded people. I mean,
Yes.
listen, if we're going someplace, we got to go fast, right?
Right. And we all win together.
That's 100%.
At the end of
right?
the day. So thank you again for being here.
All right, appreciate it. Thank
Game
you,
changer
thank you,
himself,
thank you,
guys.
thank you.
Plaza, thank
Chris
you
Gonzalez,
for
Chris
representing.
T. Gonzalez.
Yes. Follow him on social media, guys. A lot of content. So help Patronn out, all right? We live, kid.